Homeboy had a donkey.
All right, my camera was on for that one. It was on for that one.
Homeboy had a donkey.
Bam. My camera. Show the peeps. Daryl's 2 for 2. Or 2.
2. I'm telling you guys.
Get right up on that, baby. Nom nom.
So you want to cast it easy.
Oh no!
Dude, that's 4 pounds all day long.
God.
4 pounds all day long. What's that now?
Said it wouldn't be a fishing trip if I didn't forget something. King of the Island video. Yep.
First catch of the day.
There it is. First landed catch. There's gonna be more. There's gonna be more.
There it is. There it is.
Come on!
Hold the pole up. Hold the pole up.
Finally!
Woo!
All right.
Camera on.
Camera's on. Camera's on. Come here, buddy.
Awesome.
Calm down here, buddy. Look at that. Look at this, baby. All right, peeps. Bass. Look what it did to my...
Tears them apart.
Holy moly.
We can
go.
There we go.
We missed it, the eat, but we got the fish.
Look how dark that one is.
Yeah, he is. I wonder why.
Darker the water.
All right, y'all. Right before the camera dies,
Oh, shoot.
we're on bass number 2. Look at that. That's exactly where you like to hook them, right in the side of the mouth. Before we talk about anything, check that out. Check that out. Oh, you can't see it.
They're in there.
But they're in there. We have 3 fish in the box. We are at Blue Cypress Lake catching some bass. I think we sort of missed.
Actually catching bass.
Yes. Yes. Any of you who have been watching my channel for a little while know that it's difficult for me to catch stuff. But then we came here and we're catching all kinds of stuff. So morning bite, I missed 2, he missed 2. I think we both missed our PBs first thing in the morning. And now the bite's definitely slowed down, except for that bird apparently caught one. And so we're here, like I said, at Blue Cypress Lake, and it is awesome. And this lake is huge. Only 2 hours from my house, just over 2 hours from my house. Got up at 3:30, left at 4, and came out this way. Yeah, it's basically in Vero Beach, and it is awesome. It's free to come here. It's a public boat ramp. You can camp there. We'll tell you a little more about that when we get back over that way, but for now, I'm gonna try to get back to ripping lips.